Hi children, before session we are discussed about the counting by numbers and number name I explained one example. Okay now, this session we will discuss about place value and face value. Place value and face value. Place value already told. Face value it will be meaning what? Whatever number is there, we have to write the number itself, numerical value. Number itself we will write that it will be is a face value. Meaning what? The face value of a digit in a numerical is the place value, face value of the given number. The value of the digit itself. That is a face value. See, for example, 3892. 3892 is there. We will read as like before session I told that ones, tens, hundred, thousands. 3892 this is. Okay. Now we will divide into this is the place values and face values. Now we have to write ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. See here place value, face value. Place value and face value. See first one, ones place is 2, tens place is 9, hundred place is 8, thousands place is 3. See next first 2 into which place we have to write? 2 is a which place? Ones place. Then 2 into 1. Next one, see here next what I told face value meaning what? We have to write number itself. Which is the number is there? 2. 2 is a face values of the given first number. Next one it will be tens. Tens is a what? Tens place is which one is there? 9. 9 into we have to write tens place mean into 10. Okay, 9 into 10. Then which one is there? Face value number is there. Number is which one is there? 9. 9 is a face value. Then next one 8. 8 into 8 is having which place? 100. 100 is a what? Smallest 3-digit number. 100 is a smallest 3-digit number. 8 into 100. Why we are multiplying into 100 meaning what? That is a 100's place. Then face value number itself, that is a 8. Next one is 3. 3 is a which place? Place is having 1000. 1000 is having how many zeros? 3 zeros. 1000 is a started from 4-digit number started from 1000 into here 3 place value 3 into 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number also. Face value is 3. This is the place value and face value chart. Okay, clear? Whenever we are giving place values and face values, we have to write number directly. Then we have to divide it into the according to the numbers place values. Then we can write the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Then we have to write this is it will be big A ones place, it will be 2 into 1 ones place. Then face value meaning what? Number itself, that is a 2. Next one it will be 9. 9 is it will be tens place, 9 into 10. Then it will be face value is 9. Then 8 into 100. 8 is having 100 place, that's why we will write 8 into 100. Then face value is 8. Next 3 is having thousands place, 3 into 1000, that is a 3 into 1000. 3 is a face value. This is the one topic is place value and face value according to the given numbers. I wrote only given one example I wrote. One more thing, expanded form. How to write the expanded? Okay. Now this is understood. I think you have to clearly observe this one. We will get idea for the next examples. Okay. Next, expanded form. Expanded form. Next, expanded form how to write I will say. Example 9345. 9345. See, first we have to multiply the number with the given place value. Just now I told you ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. We have to write 5, 4, 3, 9. 9345. We will read as this one 9345. Okay, now what I told now, expanded form. I am writing about expanded form. I am explaining about the expanded form. Keep heading here, expanded form. Expanded form. How to write expanded form, meaning what? According to the place values we will write. First, whenever writing expanded form, don't write ones place. First, starting from this place you have to write. Then which is there? 9. 9 into which place? 10,000 place. Before place value I explained how much we have to multiply into 9 into thousands. Next place. Then 3. 3 is having 100 place. Then next 4 is having 10th place. Plus 5 into 1. Then why you are here multiplying? Why you are here? We are keeping here plus symbols, meaning what? Here multiplication symbol and here addition symbol. Why we are keeping that? See, place value, number into place value we have to writing first. Okay? How much is there? How many how much number is there? With the place value we will write here. Then one place value to the another place value. In between two place values we have to apply compulsory addition symbol, because of the digit value it will be changed. Here 10,000 place is there. Here 100 place only. Here 1000 place is there. Here 100 place will come. Won't come to the, if you are multiplying here into 1000, here also it will be, we can't into 1000. We will keep here multiplication symbol. The value should be easy more than the given digit numbers. Isn't it clear? One more method. This is the expanded form. Directly you can write 3, 4 of 9 is there. 9 you can write directly. 9 after 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. We can write 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Plus next after 3. 3 after 1, 2 zeros are there. Keep it 2 zeros. Plus 4 after 1 digit is there. 1 plus 1. This method or this method, we will write this method is because directly we can write. This is it will be long process method. This is a easy method for us. Directly expanded form you can write like this. Isn't it clear, children? Okay. See, one time number name and one time expanded form it will be so lengthy process. Directly these two methods explain in one method only. Two methods are conclusion. We will write in the one step only. See, example. $8,576. This is a 8,576. First one we will write as number name and expanded form directly. We will write number name and immediately we will write expanded form. Okay? Two topics, two together we can write in the one sum only. Okay? Don't another topic and this topic. Okay now? First what I am saying, number names. We will arrange according to the place values. First ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. It will be 6, 7, 5 and 8. Number name now. Number name which is there? 8. First number. First is having which place? 8. 8,000. 8,000. Next one is 500. 500. 8,500. Next one is what? 70. 76. 8,576. This is a what? The given number name. Next one is what I told. Before topic is what? Expanded form. We will write here now expanded form. Expanded form. Expanded form what I wrote, first digit is what? 8. 8 after how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. Keep it 3 zeros. Plus next one which digit? 5. 5 after 1, 2. 2 zeros. Next one is what? 7. 7 after how many digits? Plus 6. Okay, this is the direct. If you will give the number, one number, directly you can write. If he is asking number name, write number name. If he is asking expanded form, expanded form we can write. If he is asking those together, we can write like this. Isn't it, children? Now this session completed. Next session I will explain about the predecessor and successor, and if we will give the expanded form, how to write the short form. Okay, how to write the short form. First, next session I will explain how to write the short form, then predecessor and successor. Okay, thank you.